Welcome everybody to another episode of Renegade's Garage. In today's episode, we're working on this. We finally have a Runaway video for you guys, and today I am taking my new spare tire and we're making a tire carrier for the back of the Runaway. This one's going to be hitch mounted, so if you have an off-road vehicle or off-road trailer or whatever and you want to make a similar mount, this is universal for anybody who wants one for their hitch. But for this one, it's going to be strictly for the Runaway. So keep watching and see how it's done. Okay, so here's our plan. We got some 2x2 1/4-inch wall, normal trailer style receiver tubing, and we're going to do, so this piece right here be what goes into the hitch. So there's a hole drilled right here. What are you doing, my dog? Is that in there? Definitely magnetic. So then we're gonna do this one right here, 90'd up. Then this one be right here, another 90. Then I made this plate right here with some bolts on it. That'll be our tire carrier. So everything cut, I'm gonna go ahead and start welding. Okay, so here's where we're at so far. Got all the main squares put in. Hey Dottie.
Hi Dottie. Hi Dottie.
So we got all the main squares cut, them all at 45s. Got the main plate welded on. Note to self, when you guys make the same style of hitch, you're gonna put a gusset here. Don't go as far as we did, because you gotta cut it off right about there. Right? Okay, so we're gonna cut that back. I'm gonna finish welding the other side, put a gusset right here. I'll show you guys the finished product. And just like that, it's done. So let's go to a montage and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so here's the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. So before anybody asks, the rim and tire combination I'm running right now are set of Pro Comp 15 by 8 with a set of Foursome MT08. It's a 235, 75, 15. These equaled out to be roughly a 28-inch tall tire. I know that nothing cool like a 33 on a Adventurous, but at the end of the day, this is not an Adventurous. This is just a go down a trail and see a nice camping site and you stop for the day. This is not a go through Moab or any of those kind of places, so don't need to be set up like that right now. So how I set it up is, like I said, is just the so I have a piece right here. This is roughly 7 inch. Yeah, this one's 7 inches. You have the up, I don't know how tall it is offhand. Then you have the out right here. I made this one, I believe it was 9 inches from corner to the flat. I wanted to make sure I had enough gap right here if I ever did go to a 31 or 33 tire. And then the plate is just a 1/4 inch plate with 3 bolts through it, and it's just bolted like normal wheel pattern. So I think it'll turn out pretty good. Mind you, this only works if you have a factory Venturous or you put a hitch on the back of your Runaway. I put a hitch on the back of mine, but you need to have a hitch if you do it this way, or you do something that's directly welded on. But I do a bike carrier sometimes, so I wanted to have the availability of something else if need be. But there's the finished product. So there you go. I think it turned out pretty good. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, like, comment, and turn on the notification button when you subscribe to make sure you guys catch the newest content as it drops. We have more camping content coming, more Jeep content coming, and just general fabrication videos. So until the next time, guys, stay humble, work on your project, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.